Q. Which of the following contains the same number of molecules as 22 grams of carbon dioxide? A. 9 grams of water. B. 2 grams of hydrogen gas. C. 32 grams of oxygen gas. D. 71 grams of chlorine gas. A and S. 9 grams of water. Q. Molecular mass of the compound is 60 and its empirical formula is Q. What will be the molecular formula of the compound? A. C2H12O6. B. C2H4O2. C. C2H6O2. D. C2H8O2. A and S. C2H4O2. Q. Greater the wavelength associated with the photon. A. Greater is its energy. B. Smaller is its energy. C. Its energy will be variable. D. Its energy will remain constant. A and S. Smaller is its energy. Q. Identify the compound given below, which has bonds formed by overlapping of sp and p orbitals. A. ECCl2. B. BF3. C. HOD. NH3. A and S. BeCl2. Q. Which of the following elements has highest ionization energy? A. OB. C. C. NDB. A and S. N. Q. Which of the following shows marked deviation from ideal behavior at a given temperature and pressure? A. COB. He. C. ND. H. A and S. CO. Q. Exceptionally low acidic strength of HF is due to A. Strong polar bond between H and FB. Smaller size of fluorine. C. More electronegativity of fluorine. D. Strong hydrogen bonding. A and S. Strong hydrogen bonding. Q. Which of the following compounds has lowest boiling point? A. Water. B. Ethanol. C. Hydrogen sulfide. D. Acetic acid. A and S. Hydrogen sulfide. Q. A pressure cooker reduces cooking time because A. A large heat is used. B. Heat is more evenly distributed. C. The higher pressure softens food inside. D. The boiling point of water rises inside. A and S. The boiling point of water rises inside. Q. Which of the following ionic compounds has the highest value of lattice energy? A. NAF. B. Lyse. C. NAL. D. Key. A and S. NAF. Q. Which one of the following is the example of polar molecular solids? A. Ice. B. Iodine. C. Copper. D. Phosphorus. A and S. Ice. Q. Which of the following ions forms most stable complex compound? A. Cu2 plus. B. Ni2 plus. C. Fe2 plus. D. Mn2 plus. A and S. Fe2 plus. Q. All of the following compounds are organic except A. Cotton. B. C6H5O. C. CH3 COCH3 D, CH3O.
Anus, Corkin.
Q. The isomers of a substance must have A. Same molecular mass, B. Same chemical properties, C. Same structural formula, D. Same functional group.
Anus, same molecular mass. Q. Which of the following compounds has highest boiling point? A. Cyclohexane, B. Cyclopentane, C. Cycloheptane, D. Cyclobutane. Anus, cycloheptane.
Q. Propyne reacts with aqueous sulfuric acid in the presence of HgSO4 to form
A. Acetone, B. 1-propanol,
C. 2-propanol, D. Acetaldehyde. Anus, acetone.
Q. The electrifier which is considered to be the active agent in the nitration of benzene is A. NO2, B. NO2, C. NO+, D. NO2. Anus, NO2.
Q. Which compound reacts most rapidly by an S-in-1 mechanism? A. Chloromethane, B. 1-chloroethane, C. 2-chloro-2-methylpropane, D. 2-chloropropane.
Anus, 2-chloro-2-methylpropane. Q. Which of the following alkyl halides has the highest boiling point?
N-butyl iodide, B. Isobutyl iodide, C. Isopropyl bromide, D. N-propyl bromide.
Anus, N-butyl iodide. Q. Which of the following will not affect the SUL mechanism? A. Nature of solvent, B. Carbocation, C. Nature of nucleophile, D. Carbanion. Anus, carbanion. Q. Which of the following compounds is most acidic? A. Water, B. Ethanol,
C. Phenol, D. Cyclohexanol.
Anus, phenol. Q. Buffer capacity is maximum when both components have A. High concentration, B. Equal concentration, C. Low concentration, D. High and equal concentration. ANS, high and equal concentration. Q. If the solubility product K value is large, the salt in water is A. More soluble, B. Less soluble, C. Moderately soluble, D. No concentration. ANS, more soluble. Q. The unit of rate constant K is damol for a chemical reaction. The order of reaction is A. 1D, 3, C, OD, 2. ANS, 2. Q. A system that can exchange or transfer both matter and energy with the surroundings is A. Isolated system, B. Closed system, C. Open system, D. Adiabatic system. ANS, open system. Q. The sum of all the energies of all the molecules or atoms of a substance is called its A. Specific heat. B. Heat capacity. C. Latent heat. D. Internal energy. A-ness. Internal energy. Q. Which of the following elements has the same oxidation number in all of its known compounds? A. Beryllium. B. Chlorine.
Nitrogen, D. Bromine.
A-ness. Beryllium. Q. A cathode has the reduction potential A. Less than the anode. B. More than the anode. C. Same as that of anode. D. 0. A-ness. More than the anode. Q. A radius greater than its parent atom is called A. Cationic radii. B. Atomic radii. C. Covalent radii. D. Anionic radial. A-ness. Anionic radial. Q. What is the composition of alloy? German silver. A. Cu plus Zn plus Ni. B. Cu plus Ag plus Ni. C. Cu plus 5N plus Zn Tb. T. Air plus Cu plus milligrams plus Mn. A-ness. Cu plus Zn plus Ni. Q. 1 mole of a reactant reacts with a rate of 0.6 molem. What is the rate constant of this reaction if reaction is first order? A. 1s. B. 0.3s. C. 0.6s. D. 0.9s. A-ness. 0.6s. Q. What will be the product when phenol reacts with concentrated HNO3? A. Picric acid. B. Paranitrophenol. C. Orthonitrophenol. D. All of the above. A-ness. Picric acid. Q. Acetone reacts with hydrogen cyanide. HCN to form ACNOHYD rin ... IT is an example of A. Electrophilic addition. B. Electrophilic substitution. C. Nucleophilic substitution. D. Nucleophilic addition. A-ness. Nucleophilic addition. Q. Benedict's solution is the combination of A. CuO2 neotartaric acid C4H2O6. B. CuO2 neotartaric acid C6H4O7. C. AgNH32O plus Na plus H2 so 4. D. NaCl plus Na plus citric acid. A-ness. CuO2 plus Na citric acid C6H4O7. Q. Which of the following statements is false about the acid strength of acetic acid?
A. Acetic acid is a stronger acid than monochloroacetic acid. B. Acetic acid is a stronger acid than propionic acid. C. Acetic acid is a weaker acid than trichloroacetic acid. D. Acetic acid is a weaker acid than formic acid.
A-ness. Acetic acid is a stronger acid than monochloroacetic acid.
Q. The linear arrangement of amino acid units in proteins is called
A. Secondary structure. B. Tertiary structure. C. Primary structure. D. Quaternary structure. A-ness. Primary structure.
Q. The amount of products that is actually produced during a chemical reaction by performing experiment is called
A. Mole. B. Actual yield. C. Theoretical yield. D. Percent yield. A and S. Actual yield. Q. The shape of ammonia NH3 is A. Trigonal bipyramidal. B. Trigonal pyramidal. C. Trigonal planar. D. Square planar. A and S. Trigonal pyramidal. Q. The thermal decomposition of nitrogen pentaxide in gaseous state follows which one of the following order of reaction? N2OS to NO to plus O2. A. First order. B. Second order.
C. Fractional order. D. Third order.
A and S. First order. Q. The temperature above which two conjugate solutions merge into one another is called A. Critical solution temperature. B. Critical solution point. C. Absolute solution temperature. D. Absolute solution point. A and S. Critical solution temperature. Q. In which of the following molecule hydrogen bond is not present? A. H2O, HF.
C. CH3. D. CH4.
A and S. CH4. Q. The distillation carried out under reduced. A. Steam distillation. B. Simple distillation. C. Fractional distillation. D. Vacuum distillation. A and S. Vacuum distillation. Q. Which one of the following pairs of compounds is not isomorphic dot in nature? A. NAF and MgO. B. KNO3 and NaNO3. C. ZNO and CDs. D. AgNO3 and KNO3. A and S. AgNO3 and KNO3. Q. The value of solubility products depends only on A. Temperature. B. Solvent.
C. Pressure. D. Catalyst.
A and S. Temperature. Q. All alkaline metals are white in color except A. Beryllium. B. Magnesium.
C. Calcium. D. Strontium.
A and S. Beryllium. Q. Optical activity of a compound is measured by an instrument called A. Hydrometer. B. Barometer.
C. Colorimeter. D. Polarimeter.
A and S. Polarimeter.
Q. The structural isomerism in which isomers are in dynamic equilibrium with each other is A. Chain isomerism. B. Position isomerism. C. Metamerism. D. Tautomerism.
A and S. Tautomerism.
Q. Isopropyl benzene is also called
A. Cumin. B. Xylene. C. Toluene. D. Cresol. A and S. Cumin. Q. The first ionization energy of Ai is less than MgEq. This is due to A. The electron in the 3p of Ai. B. Ai is less metallic than milligrams. C. Milligrams comes first than Ai. D. ionization energy from milligrams to air decreases. ANS, electron in the 3p of Ai.
Q. Which one has Prussian blue color?
A. Ferric hexacyanoferrate 2. B. Fron 1 hexacyanoferrate 2. C. Sodium hexacyanoferrate II. D. Both A and B. ANS, both A and B.
Q. Which one is a stronger Lewis base?
A. Phenol B aniline C pyridine. D. Both A and B have equal strength. ANS, pyridine. Q. Photon of which of the following series will have largest wavelength? A. Bracket series. B. Pun series.
C. Balmer series. D. Paschen series.
ANS, Pun series.
Q. Which one of the following elements has the largest second ionization energy?
A. Take B. Ca.
C. Ci. D. Bi.
ANS, K.
Q. The stronger the reduction potential, the more difficult it is to
A. Reduce the compound. B. Oxidize the compound. C. Electrolyze the compound. D. Neither reduce nor oxidize the compound. ANS, oxidize the compound.